In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create PayPal.me link. By the end, you'll have a clean, shareable payment link you can paste into emails, messages, your website, or your social profiles so people can pay you quickly and securely. Start by opening your browser and going to the official PayPal website. Sign into your account as you normally would, and make sure you're on the account homepage. For best results, use a trusted device and a secure connection, and double-check the address bar to confirm you're on the real PayPal site. Once you're in, head to the section where PayPal shows your recent contacts and the quick send options. You'll typically see a Send Again area with contacts you've paid before. Look for the three-dot menu to the right of that Send Again area. Those three dots reveal more options related to sending and contact management. Click the three dots to open the menu. From that menu, choose Manage Contact. This opens a management view tied to your sending tools and contact list. In this view, PayPal highlights ways to share your details so people can pay you more easily. What you're looking for is the section labeled Share Your Link to Get Paid. This is where PayPal surfaces your PayPal.me link. When you see your link, click Copy. The button may say Copy or Copy Link, and it will place your PayPal.me URL onto your clipboard instantly. If you don't see the link in this area, it can be due to regional availability or account type differences. Make sure your account is in good standing and that you're using a region where PayPal.me is supported. Now, paste the link into a new browser tab or into a message to yourself to test it. When someone opens your PayPal.me link, it automatically loads a simple payment form. They can enter an amount, add a note, and complete the payment using their PayPal balance, a linked bank, or a card, depending on their account and location. There's nothing else you need to configure here. Your link does the heavy lifting and routes the payment to your account. A few quick tips as you start sharing your link. Test it first to make sure the page displays correctly. Share it only with people you trust, and avoid posting it where you don't intend to receive payments. Keep an eye on your PayPal notifications so you can confirm payments as they arrive. And if you ever need to stop sharing, simply remove the link from the places you've posted it. That's all there is to it. You've copied your PayPal.me link and verified that it opens a ready-to-use payment form. Happy collecting?